Been years I up away, doing things, going to every weather. Won't be affecting in the summer's even half of what I'm feeling inside. I need you back in my life, baby. When you left, I lost some part of me. Hold on to it, baby. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong together. Who else am I not know? One time's rough. Who's just gonna talk to me till the sun comes up? Who's just gonna take your place? And oh, baby, we belong together. I can sleep at night on my mind, but it's on the radio. Saying to me if you think you're loneliness. When I'm back up, boy, deep down, trying to tell me the hell you want. Some of you I have for when I'm born inside. I need you back in my life, baby. Sleep. And there you have it. She sleeps with her hands praying. How cute. Oh, baby, I love her so much. Nah, I never give it up. Melatonin is good though. Oh, you guys got to watch Lily fall asleep. How cute. That was real personal. Some mother's love. Yeah, she snores. Start singing Mariah Carey to your son? Yeah. Love you too. This is actually Lele's own bonnet line. I don't know if you guys see it. It says Amazing Lele. So these are her bonnets. It says Amazing Lele on it. I haven't dropped her line yet. I'm dropping it Christmas time. So it's gonna be kids pajama sets and bonnets. So these are her bonnets. Mommy and me bonnets and pajamas. But I'm doing like silk pajama sets. And like some of the profit, whenever we do get it, we're gonna donate some of the money to hydrocephalus warriors and to kids that have cancer, the bonnets. So